Hello. Today I am going to show you why this equation from combinatorics is true. So what I'm going to first look at here is I'm going to look at the number here at the bottom of the fraction, the denominator. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move that bottom number to the other side of the equation. And what I get here is this. 2 times the denominator equaling to the numerator. So what this means is that if I can show this is true, then I can show that this original equation is true. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to look at the left-hand side of this equation. Since any number multiplied by 2 equals to that number plus itself, I can rewrite the left-hand side of this equation like so. So this is the number above here. And I'm going to just write this down one more time. This may look repetitive, but you'll see why I wrote this as you watch the video. So here I'm going to group some numbers together. I'm going to first consider just this number. Then I'm going to consider 1 plus 99. Then I'm going to consider 99 plus this fraction. And then I'm going to keep doing this. Making all these groupings like so. So notice that, well, 1 of course equals to 1. And 1 plus 99 equals to 100. But I will also show that this number plus this number equals to 100 times 99 over 1 times 2. That this number here equals to 100 times 99 times 98 over 1 times 2 times 3, and so on. And so after making these calculations, we will eventually see an emerging pattern here that will explain why we have this equation here. So let's take a look. It's clear that while 1 equals to 1 and that 1 plus 99 equals to 100. So let's first take a look at 99 times 98 over 1 times 2 plus 99. I can rewrite this as 99 times 98 over 1 times 2 plus this number. So notice that 99 equals to 99 over 1. So we can write that as a fraction. And thinking of that fraction, we can multiply both the top of the fraction, the numerator, and the bottom of the fraction by 2 to get 2 times 99 over 1 times 2. So the next step here is I'm going to add these fractions because now I have that the denominator for both of these fractions are the same. So what I get here is 99 times 98 plus 2 times 99 over 1 times 2. I can rewrite this. I can move the 98s to the left like this. 98 times 99 plus 2 times 99 over 1 times 2. So now I can move this 99 here to the right, and I get that 98 times 99 plus 2 times 99 equaling to this number here. 98 plus 2 times 99. Keep the denominator like before. And now we notice since 98 plus 2 is 100, we get this. 100 times 99 over 1 times 2. And notice that we have this. That this number plus this number equals to this number. Now I want to look at the next group. I want to calculate this number added to this number. So let's write it up. I have this. Now I'm going to look at this fraction. And I notice here I can multiply the numerator and the denominator both by 3. I do this because I want to add these fractions. And I get 99 times 98 and so on. Plus 3 times 99 times 98. Since I multiplied the numerator by 3. And 1 times 2 times 3. Since I multiplied the denominator by 3. So here, I'm going to now add the fractions since these denominators are the same to get this number here. All over 1 times 2 times 3. So I can rewrite this a little more, move this 97 a little bit to the left. So what I get here is 97 times 98 times 99 plus 3 times 99 times 98. This number over the same denominator as before. So notice here that this number here, so I can rewrite this as like this. So 99 times 98 and 99 times 98. I can move that to the right. To get 97 plus 3 times 99 times 98. All over 1 times 2 times 3. And so I get 100 times 99 times 98 over 1 times 2 times 3. And so notice that this corresponds to this. So you add these two numbers here, and that equals to this number here. I hope that by now you recognize the emerging pattern here. The idea is that this number is the same as this number here. The sum of these two numbers is the same as this number. The sum of these two numbers here is the same as this number. and so on and so forth. Also notice that when I add a number to itself, which I show here, it's the same as multiplying that number, like this number here, by 2, which is shown above here. So what I show here is that 2 times that number equals to precisely this number here. And so to recap, we use some college algebra and some nice groupings of numbers to show that this number here divided by that number there equals to 2. There you have it. That is your answer. If this topic is interesting to you, please subscribe to my channel.